everyone, Sintex has been a trusted name in water and industrial solutions for almost 50 years.
Absolutely. And from water storage to wastewater management, I think Sintex is one company which is identified by customers with water.
Exactly. Mr. Merchant, what makes the SMC panel tank unique in terms of design and materials?
So, Karan, like you rightly said, these tanks have been designed by Sintex many years ago, almost more than 30 years ago, as an alternative to RCC tank. And the biggest merit of these tanks is, as you can see, that these are modular in nature. They can be assembled. So from 1 lakh liters to 16 lakh liter capacity can be created by modularly bolting these tanks together. So the advantage is modularity. The second advantage is that it can be portable. So you can assemble it, disassemble it, and relocate it and utilize it anywhere. Most of these tanks are relevant, like RCC tanks, they are relevant for large capacity water storage. So anything more than 30,000, 40,000 lakh liters, few lakh liters, up to 16 lakh liters, you can keep going on. So the big advantage is that, like RCC, these tanks are also durable and they can last for almost 40 to 50 years. If you look at the applications of these tanks, where are these tanks used? These tanks are typically used for community water storage. By the Jal Jeevan Nigam, by the Jal boards, the water boards, the water supply and sewerage boards. They are also used in industries. They are used in educational institutes, institutions, hospitals, hotels. They are used in defense, railways. So they have a vast application range. So in terms of popularity, over the last few years, these tanks have become very popular, and we have seen almost 4,000 tanks being sold in Assam, which is approximately 20 crore liters. And if you look at the history of SMC panel tank, we've already sold more than 50 crore liters of SMC panel tanks over the last so many years. So last 4 to 5 years has seen a lot of traction. So popular installations we have got is the Rashtrapati Bhavan, where we have supplied almost 70 to 80 tanks. We have also supplied tanks in prestigious locations like Nirman Bhavan, Udyog Bhavan, and there are many installations, and these tanks have become very popular nowadays.
These are incredibly versatile, and thank you all for joining us on this journey. We hope you've enjoyed the closer look at Sintex and the innovative solutions we are bringing to the world. Stay tuned for more from Sintex.